Okay, so workbench panel default location controls the default location of the panel. That means the terminal, the debug console, the output, and the problems. It can either show at the bottom or on the right of the workbench. So by default it's set to bottom, so if you click this little button here, it's going to open up below, and usually it opens up with about this height, and you have the problems, output, debug console, and terminal. And if you set it to the right, whoops, so I had my mouse there, to the right, and actually if you need to reload, because if you try opening it again, it's going to open on the bottom, so you need to reload the window actually. And now when you open that up, it opens to the right. Now I don't find this to be very useful. I would rather have it open on the bottom, because in order for you to see all the options here, you kind of, well, actually, let me put that back. You kind of have to expand this too much, and then it takes up too much space. So I'd rather see it on the bottom. So let's set this to bottom. Let's reload. And now you can always see these tabs, right? You will always have access to these tabs because it has enough space and you can always see the code. Okay, so I'm leaving this one set to bottom.